So this will be my first time doing it. Oh my gosh. Not a good time. Good morning, YouTube family. It is Kay, the Organized Soprano, and I'm here to take you through another one of my organizer days. I am back in the South End. The client who was measured for custom pullouts has purchased them, and they are being installed today. So it's been a number of weeks. It takes a number of weeks for them to custom make them because they are custom made. So they're being installed this morning. I'm ahead of the installer to take everything out of the cabinets and reorganize them when they are installed. So I think I'm gonna go grab something from the box of stars, I like to call it, and take my time because the South End's really pretty, and just gonna enjoy the nice scenery. I mean, can we just look at this? This is pretty, right? Super pretty. Of this cabinet underneath the cutest little sink ever, actually. And we're gonna install custom pullouts in this one. We're also gonna install custom pullouts underneath this stove area because we've got pots here, but this is nearly impossible to really manage because it's got a big open space. And you can't really put shelves in here. It just doesn't really work. So, and here's the range. So we're gonna install 2 pull-out shelves here, and we're also gonna install pull-out custom shelves here. This is the space from the original video, which I will actually link down below so you guys can watch that and see the actual process of the measuring and everything like that. So we're gonna go ahead and take all this stuff out, and when Gerard gets here, we'll just watch him install.
Strikes by my window.
This little shelving unit, I think I'm definitely gonna have to take this out. I think I'm gonna repurpose it for one of the bathrooms upstairs because it's cool because it's meant to go in between some pipes. You guys might have seen this in my own house too. I really like this thing, so I'm gonna take it out and see if it works in the bathroom upstairs. But I'm gonna go clear all the cabinets before I do that too.
To see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so
Number one on the list of things I don't expect to find in a kitchen cabinet, but I'm happy that I did. Miracle Bubbles. It's a big container too. Let's have some fun. The third cabinet is empty. Think of how much better it's going to be after there's pull-out shelves in there, because look at all the beautiful pots and pans that we can't access very easily. And we might be able to fit some of this stuff in there too, but we'll see. We'll see what the situation is. So I'm just gonna see if this is gonna fit in one of the bathrooms upstairs. I'm actually gonna go have a look first. We got stuff happening. We got that's here. I forgot that we had to clean that cabinet too. Ooh, look at that's already in. We've got all this happening, kind of a chaos, but it's all good. so we are all done. This is where the food storage is, and see, it's got an L shape so that it fit around the pipes back there. So we've got our food storage up there, we got food storage down here, and this is so much better than it was before. Also got this cabinet with this stuff in it, and this looks really good now. We got potatoes, onions and garlic, and like this stuff, and we've got all of this stuff down here, which is now easier to get to. And the biggest Tetris project of them all was the pots and pans, but we managed to fit everything. We've got, oops, there goes the splatter screens. We've got the splatter screens, we've got all that stuff up there, and we've also got more pots and pans and lids down here. We might need some sort of lid organizer solution because right now it's a little crazy, but it's gonna work for now. So she's able to fit much more in here. I actually put those in here. They were from the previous cabinet. And I totally forgot about the sauce cabinet. This one is in here well, but there's a pipe back here which was missed during the initial measuring. So we're gonna have to grab a new custom one of these and install it at some other point because these are too tall. These are the tall ones. This is where the tall ones are gonna go. So missed on that one, but you know, we're gonna come do it another time. So I'm all done and I'm gonna go get Clover, and let's hope I didn't get a parking ticket. Moment of truth. No ticket, no ticket, no ticket. Hey, no ticket. Boston, like parking, like people are very particular about like the whole 2-hour park. They will give you a ticket if you're parked at one of these green spots that says visitor parking 2-hour limit. They will, if you've been here more than 2 hours, they will give you a ticket, but it's not so common, but like it has happened. It's happened to me. So I guess we're all done for the day. Woo! I just got some news that I have to leave town on Tuesday. So I just got my ticket info, so I have to write that down on my calendar. We have to go get Clover, and but we're all done. So happy! That worked out great. I will see you guys later. It looks pretty cute, pretty good. 7:46. I have not powdered, I have not touched up. Yay for that. We are off to go grab dinner. Oh my god. Puka, you crazy little boy. Good morning. It's a couple of days later. I got so sick on Thursday afternoon, and Friday I just didn't do anything. I just was chilling out. I just needed one of those like days where you just watch TV. I've been binge watching The Good Doctor on ABC. Like I watched the whole season. It was crazy. But we're gonna take little Clover for a walk this morning because he is really bothering me. Do you need to go out for a walk, little guy? And then I'm gonna do something I haven't done in a while, and I just got reminded to do by Melissa Maker, one of my favorite YouTubers, is to clean the washing machine. All right, let's go for a walk first, then we'll clean the washing machine. Okay, we are back. We went to the farmer's market and the dog park, and I'll show you what I got from the farmer's market. Okay, fun little farmer's market haul here. Clover's come to do the haul with us. Hello. Got some leeks for tonight's dinner. I think I'm gonna make salmon and leeks. I got some salmon, but I'm not gonna show you that. I got the last of the summer squashes. I got some zucchini here, 3 zucchinis. And I got a few of these beautiful onions. Where did they all go? There's one. There's the third one in here somewhere. Oh, there it is. These are really pretty. I love these onions. I'm so excited to eat them. We got a couple of Roma tomatoes. They look so good. I'm so excited to make some salsa with these later. And got a couple of potatoes. So that's my farmer's market haul. Wait. Sorry, I lied. A jalapeno. Because I'm gonna make a burrito bowl later, and I'm very excited because I'm gonna have that for lunch. Very, very tasty. And it looks like I may be having the burrito with jasmine rice. It looks like I have just enough left for 1 serving. That is sad. I need to go to the grocery store. Are you looking for this? Is that what you want? Okay. Here it is. That's for you. There you go. Go get it. Can't believe he still wants to play. All right, I put the ball away. It was just too much. We've already played today. We have. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how I'm going to clean my laundry machine filter, my washing machine filter to be specific. Dryers on the top, washers on the bottom. I've actually never done this, so this will be my first time doing it. Oh my gosh. Not a good time. My washer is actually running fine, and I guess you're supposed to do this when now and again, but I just want to do it preemptively and show you guys how to do it if your washer is not emptying properly or something's going on with it. So apparently we're supposed to open this door, but look at the mess underneath here. So we're actually gonna, let's clean the outside of the washer first too, because look at the disgusting mess that is actually up here as well. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's some schmutz. So we're gonna give it a good clean first. The washing machine is much cleaner. I've wiped this down so it's not as disgusting as it was before. And I've also wiped the inner lining here with a paper towel, so some of the yucky gunk that gets caught up in between here came off, and now it's probably gonna smell better. And I actually cleaned the window here, so it looks not so bad. And it looks very clean now. You can see me, hi. So I know that I've personally never done this before, but I have a GE washing machine. And this little door here at the bottom is where the where the washing machine filter lives. So I need to clean this out periodically. I haven't done this, so I thought I would take you guys through my first time of cleaning my washing machine filter. And apparently I'm supposed to take a coin and open up that little slot. So let me go get a quarter. Okay, I've got my quarter here. Let's go ahead and open up the washing machine filter here. Door. They said any coin would work, but oh. This is quite challenging, actually. Oh, wait. Oh, damn it. Okay. Here it comes. Here it comes. Okay. Perfect. Wow. Look at that. So let me bring you guys a little closer so you can see. So there's a little, and by the way, when you're doing this with your particular washing machine, you can search Google to see what the instructions are for your particular model. I actually watched a video on the GE YouTube channel that shows me how to do this, so I'm already one step ahead. So, you know, if you need information, go ahead and check your instruction manual, or if you're like me, you don't save instruction manuals, you just search online. They're all online, so you don't need to have them hanging around and cluttering up your space. So apparently I'm supposed to, and apparently you can get a quart of water from here. So I've got this little tray here to catch all of the water coming from here. So let me just push this back a little bit. Actually, I guess it's fine. Okay, Clover. Clover's in the way. All right, let's go ahead and open this and see how much water comes out. Oh, here it comes. Oh boy. Okay, there we go. Some water escaped, but wow. Let's back them up here. So you guys can see some water is coming out, and I guess it's normal to see a quart of water come out. That's a lot. So let's go ahead and open a little bit. Oh, it doesn't really matter. Oh my gosh, there's water leaking out on the floor. Okay, there we go. I think we got the whole, wait a minute. Oh, there's some water going on the floor. So annoyed. All right, maybe let's go and see if we can get some. We're gonna stop it for a while because there's some water on the floor there. I'm gonna see if I can get something that's going to not be in the way so much. Let's wipe up some of this water. So there's a drain underneath there, so that extra water is gonna go there. But if you guys have been watching my channel for a while, you know that we had a whole incident with our washing machine pipe coming loose from the wall. I'll link that down below so you guys can watch the fun disaster Christmas time. So it's got to be shorter than that thing. This is not really that practical. I can get a plate, I guess. Okay, we're gonna use a plate so that it... This is a very poor design though. If this is like on the floor, let's see what happens now. Okay, well at least it's not falling on the floor anymore. Oh wow, okay. So we're gonna, I guess, empty this when it gets full, and we'll keep going till it stops. So that wasn't even that much, so I just had to empty a couple of plates, and it's all done filling out, and this is the stuff that got caught in the filter. That's pretty gross, so we're gonna give it a little rinse off in the sink, and I'll put it back. Okay, I gave it a quick rinse off in the sink, and it's good to go back in here now. And the little sign on the bottom says, caution, avoid leaks and flooding. Push filter firmly and turn clockwise until securely tightened. And that's as tight as it's letting me go. I can't go any further, so I'm assuming that that is all set. And we're gonna do that and put, oh, I guess it does, it just needs that. Okay, we're gonna put this back. Should be fairly simple, no big deal here. Oh, there we go. And that's done. So we have cleaned the washing machine filter. It's super easy. So if you're wondering why your washing machine is acting funny, go ahead and give that a try. And if that doesn't work, call a repairman. By the way, a little preview. I have been testing out the entire line of Laundress products. I will have a review on the channel sometime in the next week. So if you guys are excited about that, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you think. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed my doing a tour with you and my client stuff. I will see you guys in the next video. I've got a really exciting week coming up, so I'm gonna be pre-filming some videos because I'm gonna be traveling, but keep an eye on the Instagram, Twitter, and the Facebook group. If you're not following me on those social media platforms, go ahead and I have all the links down below. It's gonna be exciting. We're going out of town and it's gonna be fun. So make sure to join me on those social platforms to follow me on the journey, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, stay neat. Okay, you wanna play the ball now? Now that I'm done, you wanna play the ball? Yeah? Okay, let's do it.